everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, I went to Walgreens, you guys. It is so cold outside that I usually like to film in my vehicle, but it is the high of -3 today. It is so cold. That's not even including the wind chill. That's just what the temperature is outside, but it is cold. The roads are icy, so I was gonna leave a little bit. I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna wake up like I usually do. I usually set my alarm for 6:30 in the morning. I'm like, no, I'm gonna sleep in because the roads are so bad. I don't want to drive out there, but couldn't sleep anyways. But we did leave a little bit later than usual. But I had an awesome shopping haul at Walgreens, you guys. This funny thing is, the store was really busy today because obviously it's Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. But I love it how many men come into the store on Valentine's Day. Like CVS and Walgreens today were just crazy busy. I also ran to the Dollar Tree to get my kids a balloon, and it was crazy busy. Like everybody's just buying cards and chocolate and stuff, but I don't really celebrate Valentine's Day, but I did get the kids a treat. But anyways, I'm gonna shut up and share with you guys my Moneymaker haul that I got. Now you guys want to definitely go ahead and walk the store because there is clearance all over the place. I have somebody who takes everything at the store that I shop at, which is not a big deal. I'm not heartbroken, but I was happy I could at least get one of these. Now, the pull-ups diapers. Now, this is for 12 months to 24 months. You guys gotta keep in mind, these are on clearance right now for $3.29. Everything else is gone. I luckily found one of them that was $3.29. We have a $2 off digital coupon that you guys want to use for this. So you'd pay $1.29 for this, $1.29. But there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta. It is a limit of 1. So I was going to buy whatever, but they only had 1. So I'm like, that's okay. That's okay. So I ended up using that, or submitting my receipt to a $1 rebate with Ibotta. But there is actually a rebate with Shopkick. If you guys are not familiar with Shopkick, I've used Shopkick probably for going on what, almost 7 years now maybe. Shopkick is just an app where you scan specific items, you get points. You get points for walking in stores. You also get points for buying specific items. So it helps, and then you guys can get gift cards. But there is a 500 point rebate, and then a 25 point for scanning it. So you get 525 points for purchasing and scanning this product, which is equivalent to $2.10. So all together, you guys, why? I didn't do the math right on this. You guys would pay $1.29 for this, but then you guys would get the $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it 29 cents. But then you guys would get $2.10 back, making it, I didn't do my math on this at all, it would be like a $2 and something cent moneymaker. Maybe, I wrote 19 cents. I don't know why I wrote 19 cents. But anyways, this comes out to be a moneymaker. It comes out to be absolutely free. So you guys definitely want to go ahead. You can also scan your receipt to fetch rewards. I only got like 32 points for it. Like, it was bad. But fetch rewards is just, I don't know. I'm not into fetch like I used to be. Anyways, here's a great deal. I don't know if there is coupons out there for you guys, but the plastic came off of this. But you guys definitely want to do this deal. So these are the Purex crystals. These are currently 3 for $6. You guys buy 3 of them, you would pay $6 for 3 of these. But you guys can submit a $1 rebate, a $1 rebate, and a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making them just $3. That's $1 a piece. That's a pretty good deal. Like I said, I don't know if there's instant coupons out there for it, but if you guys have them, go for it. Now here's an easy deal for you guys to do, is the Bic Soleil razors. Now there was a deal in checkout 51, but apparently those went gone like that. But there's still a rebate with Ibotta. So these are currently on sale for buy one, get one. No. These are on sale for $5.99, okay? There is currently a $3 off digital coupon that you guys want to use. So you guys would buy 2 of these, use that $3 off digital coupon, you would pay $8.98. But there's currently a 6 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, and you guys will get a $3 register reward, making these absolutely free. It comes out to be like a 2-cent moneymaker. You cannot do these in 2 separate transactions in order to get the Ibotta rebate. You can do it one transaction and you'll get the $3 register reward, but in order to get them this way, you guys want to do it that way. So, not trying to be confusing, but that is a great, great deal. Now, I did a mouthwash deal. Now, I have been saying I have so much toothpaste, it's ridiculous. So, there's currently some rebates with Ibotta right now that I wanted to share with you guys. The battery-operated toothbrush is no longer available, but they still had the mouthwash. Now, you guys can mix and match however you want to do it. I just did it this way because I wanted to show you guys the options. So, these were $3.99. I currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would use that, you would pay $4.98. But there is a dollar rebate for this Crest bottle, and there is a 50-cent rebate for this Crest bottle. So it just depends on what you guys want to get. I just got one of these. It would have been a moneymaker, a bigger moneymaker, a 50-cent more moneymaker if you bought 2 of these, but I want to try to get as many rebates just to finish level 2. So then you guys would also get a $4.50 register reward for buying both of those. So these come out to be just $1.02 moneymaker. You guys will get these for $1.02 moneymaker. If you go ahead and buy 2 of these, it'd be $1.52 moneymaker. So it just depends on what you guys want to do. I just wanted to show you guys your options in case you guys need some stuff. Rolaids, you guys. It's never going to end. It's never going to end. The Rolaids are currently all month on sale for $5.99. There is a $3 off Catalina that does print off when you start scanning your coupon. So the cashier usually just takes it and scans it. So, and then there's also a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet that you guys want to have the cashier scan. You would just get these for 99 cents. 99 cents. I now have more than what we really actually use, so I will be giving these away, donating them, all that fun stuff. Now, I did the Dove shampoo and conditioner, okay? So these are on sale for $4.99. They are currently buy one, get one 50% off. I was originally going to do 2 of them, but then I'm like, you know what, we're going to do 4 of them. Because it says if you buy 3 or more, you get a $3 register reward. So, $4.99. And buy one, get one 50% off. There is currently a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and then I used a 2 off of 2 coupon that we got in our inserts. You guys would pay $9.97 for this. But you guys can submit a $1 rebate times 4 with Ibotta, and you guys will get a $3 register reward. Man, those things are like ice cold because it's been sitting in my trunk. And my hands are like frozen. You would get a $3, where'd it go? I must have lost, no, I had it, I don't know what happened to it. But you guys would get a $3 register reward. I might have left it upstairs. When you guys get, no, you get $3 in points. Sorry, you guys would get $3 in points of cash rewards for this. So it comes out to be just $2.97 or just 74 cents a piece if you guys need to do that. I also did the deal at CVS, but I'll wait for it to reset before I submit my receipt for that. I also got, these are just ice cold. Oh, my hands. These are $3.99. This is actually a product that I use. I use this more in the summertime for my hair because my hair doesn't get as frizzy in the winter. But $3.99, they're buy one, get one 50% off. You guys would end up, or you guys want to use a 5 off of 2 coupon that we got in our inserts today, you would just get these for 98 cents. That's 49 cents a piece if you guys need to do that. I still have one more bag to share with you guys, but I do want to give you some deals. I did not buy this. This is not in my haul. I just had this lying next to my desk. But the nice bags or the complete home bags are currently on sale for $2.79. They're buy one, you get 2 free, so you guys would just get them for $2.79 or 93 cents a piece if you guys need to get that. There's also a deal, and I'll show you, I took a picture of it to share with you guys on that because I can't keep getting everything. So if you guys get the Scott's toilet paper, otherwise there is the Kleenex. These are on these are $5. They're always $5. There's currently a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can use, plus there is the $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get these for $2 $2.75, and then you can submit your receipt to fetch rewards if you guys need to do that deal. The Kellogg's cereal is on sale for $1.99. I have so much cereal, it's ridiculous, so that's why I pass it up. But there is a $1 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You would pay $2.98 or $1.49 a piece. And then the next deal there is these Keebler cookies. Now you have to get the specific kind, but the Chips Deluxe are the ones that you got. So these are on sale right now for 2 for $5, okay? You guys would pay $5 for this, but there's currently a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta times 2. So you guys would just get these for $3.50 or $1.75 a piece. So if you guys need to do the cookie deal, definitely go ahead and do it. We don't eat, I mean we would, but we don't eat these cookies fast enough, so I didn't do that deal. Now here is a great deal if you guys need to do some Valentine's Day shopping or anything, but I ended up getting the Ferrero chocolate, you guys. Yeah, okay. We're gonna do this deal right here. This one was $13.99. $13.99, you guys would pay $13.99. But you guys will get 2,500 points for purchasing the item, and then you guys scan it, you get 40 points, which comes out to be just $10.16. So you guys, if you bought this for $13.99, you'll get $10.16 back with Shopkick, making this just $3.83. So if you guys need that, go for it. I also got the, I ripped it open when I was at the checkout. I also got the Ferrero little box. Now this was $6.99. You would pay $6.99, but then you guys get 1,500 points for purchasing it and 40 points for scanning it, which is equivalent to $6.16. You guys would just get this box for 83 cents. So if you guys know somebody who loves chocolates and you want to be cheap, because we're always cheap, definitely go ahead and do that. So my husband will be a happy camper. Because why? Because I think of him for Valentine's Day, even though we really don't celebrate. Gummies. These are currently 2 for $2. You guys would pay $2 for this, but there's actually a 50-cent rebate for the cola, and there is a 50-cent rebate for the sour streamers. You guys would just get these for 50 cents a piece. So if you guys can mix and match, you can do 2 of these, you can do 2 of these, however you want. There is another one where you get 50 cents when you buy 2. So I didn't do that one because I thought these are a better deal. So if you guys need to get some gummies, go for it. Now this is the freebie of the week. We did have some insert coupons for it, but those coupons did expire yesterday. So this is on sale right now for $2.99. Or $3. No, it's on sale for $3, I think. But there's currently a $3 off digital coupon that you guys can use. I had to purchase this individually. You cannot use your employee discount if for whoever follows me. But you guys would just pay tax for this. So I had to pay 17 cents for tax for this, but it was absolutely free with that digital coupon. Now, I did the Revlon deal. I totally was like looking for the Revlon nail polish. My store completely discontinued all the Revlon nail polish, and I'm like, oh, okay. So I ended up doing the Revlon eyeshadow. Now I did 3 separate transactions. One was everything. The second one was that Febreze item, and then the third one was was this one. I did this one in one transaction, and then this one separately because I wanted to do this deal twice. So these Revlon things at my store were like $8.49, and they were buy one get one 50% off. But I actually looked on the app and they were coming up at $6.99. Your store is supposed to price match items. So I have said, hey, can you price match this? They're like, yes. Because otherwise I could just go and do an online order pickup if they don't price match. So it just saves them time doing this way. But I got this for $6.99. There are currently no coupons out there. But you guys would pay $10.48 for the both of these if you can match them to $6.99. But you guys can submit a $3 rebate and a $3 rebate with Ibotta. And you guys will get a $4 register reward when you do this deal. So this comes out to be just 48 cents. 48 cents for these 2 eyeshadows. I have not used these, but I do like the cream eyeshadow. I just forget to use these half the time, so I got that. And then I also did the Revlon lip. Now these were $4.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. You guys would pay $7.48, but then you can submit a $2 rebate and a $2 rebate with Ibotta. And you will also get the the $4 register reward when you guys do this deal. So this deal just comes out to be a 52-cent moneymaker. You guys will make money off of this. So definitely go ahead and do that deal. So that was my haul, you guys. I was pretty excited with everything. It's starting to get better. It's starting to get better. And I like to get items that I don't normally get. A lot of that stuff is stuff that I usually get, but, you know, I like to change it up a little bit. My total came to $49.55. Now, I do not pay that price out of my actual pocket. I actually pay with points. So, just giving you guys a heads up with that. But $49.55. I ended up receiving, or I will be receiving, $19.50 back with Ibotta. I haven't gotten approved for it yet because I had to add some items to it. But I'll be getting $19.50. I ended up getting, how many rebates? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 9. Maybe 9 or 10 rebates I got from Ibotta, so that's awesome. And then with Shopkick, I got 4,605 points, which is equivalent to $18.42. I got only 189 points for Fetch Rewards, which is 18 cents. Wow. For register rewards, I got $15.50 back, and then with points, I ended up getting $3.57. That was $3 was for that Dove deal that I did. So my grand total, you guys, came out to be a $7.62 moneymaker. Now I did have some, like, I think I had some coupons, but nothing came off for like the bonuses that they've been having. So I did get this. I got a 20% off regular price Catalina, which I probably won't use. And then I also got a spend 30, you get 7,000 points. So that's what I got. But I'm pretty happy with everything I got. Everything's for free. Plus I got my husband some chocolates so he can be a happy camper. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.